Ever scrolled through your investment account and seen a mysterious charge labeled Raiz fee and wondered, what in the world is that? You're not alone. It's a question many new and even some seasoned investors using the Raiz platform have. So, let's dive in and unravel this. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money, often by rounding up your everyday purchases. It's a fantastic way to get started in the world of investing without needing a huge lump sum. But like any service, Raiz has its fees, and understanding them is crucial. Think of it this way, Raiz is providing you with a service. They're managing your investments, rebalancing your portfolio based on your chosen risk profile, providing you with a user-friendly app, and handling all the nitty-gritty details of buying and selling shares. To keep this platform running and to continue offering these services, Raiz charges fees. These Raiz fees are essentially the cost of using their platform. Now, the specifics of these fees can vary depending on a few factors, primarily the balance of your investment account. Typically, Raiz employs a tiered fee structure. This means that the amount you pay might be a fixed monthly fee if your balance is below a certain threshold, or it could transition to a percentage-based fee once your balance grows beyond that point. For example, you might encounter a scenario where accounts with balances under, say, $10,000 are charged a flat monthly fee, perhaps around $3.50. This is regardless of whether you have $10 or $9,999 in your account. Once your balance exceeds that threshold, the fee structure often shifts to a percentage of your total investment balance, which is usually a relatively small percentage per year, like 0.275%. It's important to note that these figures are examples and the actual fee structure can change, so it's always best to check the latest fee schedule on the official Raiz website or within the Raiz app itself. They are usually transparent about their fees, and this information is readily available. So, what do these fees actually cover? Well, as mentioned earlier, they cover the operational costs of the platform. This includes things like brokerage fees for buying and selling the underlying exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that make up your portfolio, platform maintenance, customer support, and the ongoing development of the app and its features. Understanding these fees is vital because they directly impact your investment returns. While the fees might seem small, over the long term, they can eat into your profits. That's why it's always a good idea to factor in these costs when evaluating the overall value proposition of any investment platform. To find the exact Raiz fee structure applicable to you, simply head to the Settings or Account section within your Raiz app. Look for a tab or option labeled Fees or Pricing. Here, you'll find the most up-to-date information on how you are being charged based on your account balance. In conclusion, Raiz fees are the charges associated with using the Raiz micro-investing platform. They typically follow a tiered structure, either a fixed monthly fee for smaller balances or a percentage-based fee for larger balances. These fees cover the costs of running the platform and providing its services. Always be sure to check the latest fee schedule within the Raiz app or on their website to stay informed about the costs involved in your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.